Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, YouTube? We are all out here mobbing deep. So we gotta explain, we got a couple things we gotta tell you. And each person's gonna talk about their car. Gang shit? Gang shit? Yo, why you gotta wild out?
Oh.
Starting with car number one.
Car number one's over there.
What you mean?
Car number one's over there.
Nah, we going from this way to this side.
Nah. We're going clockwise. That's number 12.
Wow, you a bitch. That ass. You should have been a stain on the couch.
Nigga, you are a stain on my couch.
Cause I stained on your couch, baby girl.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Anthony right here. I'm about to give y'all a little review. On my car real fast, what I did to it. So, we got the True Heart coilovers in the front. We still gotta install the back, so that's one of the mods that I did. You got the quick release bumper shit, whatever. Let me show you guys inside before we go in there. Scrape game banner on the sunroof, and I got a quick release steering wheel. I can't take it out right now. Got the shift knob. I added some stickers in the interior. I still got the stock radio. I'm working on that right now. NRG quick release sticker. You see how I got the face down ass up movement right now. Got the license plate hella broke. And then I simply just got a lip on my trunk. I gotta work on this right here. I got holes all around. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much my car. I'm working on getting new wheels as well.
That's it. Hello, I'm Michael. That's it. I'm a new member from Scrape Gang. That's it. So today I'm about to talk about my car today. So I have 1 gig of clips, 1993. Yeah, whatever. So let's see. It's a work in progress so far. Let's see. I basically got it out the car to make the car a little more lighter, like for the races and stuff like that. So little by little, I've been working on small little things on it. Got a strut bar down there. Don't got much inside, but it's going through procedures and stuff like that. So let's see, I even added some new cord lowers on the car. Not sure you can see them, but let's see. The car needs a little bit of body work, but it'll be fixed up very soon. Yeah, so.
What is up, guys? So I haven't really done a lot to the car because I've been saving for other parts, but I did end up copying the quick release from NRG. Put that on. We had, dude, basically like everything we've done to our cars, we had it all recorded. And then Lewis lost the SD card, so yeah, fuck that guy. So anyway, so this is basically like an update video, what everybody's done, people that we have in it. You never got to even see Michael till just now. But I got the clears with HIDs. I just ordered another one because that shit fell out on the highway. But I got those two. I got the bumper, and I got mad parts coming in for the Accord. Like, it's ridiculous. Haven't really done anything to it. So now this BB's gonna tell you.
Hello, witches. So I traded my diamond steelies for these, and the camera's fucked up. I got these. They're straight. And I didn't really do nothing to my car besides take the steering wheel off, put the steering and the fucking radio. Bucket seats came out, which were the RXX seats. Did the brakes last night. Didn't have the camera, so I couldn't record. But I painted them too. 20 horsepower. Yeah. How do you zoom in with this? Can I zoom in? Nope. I don't know how. These fucking faggots. Oh, his ass. Oh yeah, hold up. Oh, and I painted my bumper too. It was green the last time. And I also painted my valve cover. You guys get to see my K-series. If I can open this shit. And they did. Full K-series.
I'll be your assistant right away. Viewer discretion advised.
K-series.
I'm over here grabbing your
Hey,
grill because that's where my shit is at.
Fired. Fired.
Hold on. I need to grab my nuts. Put them back in.
Second try?
Fuck. Look at my fucking bumper.
You failed.
Oh
You
shit.
didn't clear coat it?
Yeah, I did. I mean, the clear coat that I had sparkles in it. So I was like, nah. Yeah, no, it's fucked up though, because I did it in the cold. Look at that. BAM!
K-series. He said.
And then this was so perfect until I put a bag over it and I turned it on. It went, and it like fucked up the intake.
Why'd you do that?
I wasn't thinking. I was like, let me turn it on. Then I finally realized that there was a bag on it. It popped. Oh, because I was cleaning the engine bay, which didn't do shit because it's dirty as fuck.
Okay.
This is a Z6. Guys, look, C6.
V8?
Where the fuck is it?
This is a Philly cheesesteak with everything on it.
I'm good.
Here. Here's the piece of shit, ES1, ES2, whatever you want to call it. I got my front lip thrown on this, which I saw the video on that. I got me some 16s that I have no idea what they are. I know the tires are Michelin, and they're 185/55s, and they're 16s.
Right, sir.
Only a little bit. Got RSX seats. If you, yeah, I can see them. I got that Dragon Ball Z shift knob. Huh?
Where the fuck did you get these?
I been got these.
I didn't see you with these shits.
I got no headliner because weight reduction. I got rear camber arms, so camera gang. I got my Brody right there. Let's just zoom into him.
Niggas is related.
Come on, Brody.
Civic.
Yeah, Brody.
CO are related.
I got the Acura EL trunk. It basically just adds everything from this side of my finger. And yeah, you failed. You failed. You failed. I got it so it stays open. With the hardwood floor, cause you know you gotta stay woody. Got me a nice 15-inch kicker that I got for $25. And then let's just open the magic hatch. You don't see that. You don't see that. You don't see that.
Did you just pop the back seat?
Yeah, got the eBay stick. Not even eBay stickers. Wish stickers. Got the dirty back seats. Got me some speakers back here. Ooh. Still sounds like shit though. Other than that, oh, I failed.
Shows in the trunk already?
Yeah, and I got 4.
Why isn't your trunk closed?
I have it so it doesn't close right now. I have some spaces right here. They're I don't know how big they are. I know they're 4x100 to 4x114, so it doesn't tuck so much. And then I got hood spacers with 1 bolt on each side because I'm poor and I can't find anything. Sunroof, I think you know, scrape gang. That's about it.
Oh yeah, and I got a new car too.
You're adopted. Oh yeah. Anthony, what you gotta say? Yo, just
wheels settled a little.
put
OD zoomed in on my face.
put a picture of Sheena right here. Just so y'all can know what I'm talking about. Just put a picture of Sheena right here, right next.
Everything I know is a lie.
Next to his face. Just pause it and put it next to his face. Miguel, you're ugly.
For what, nigga? You thought you was gonna get a cinematics of my car. My shit hit right now.
Everything I know is a lie.
Time out. You know what this nigga looks like? You ever see the dude from Alice in Wonderland? Well, that's it for today, guys. That was just a quick update video. We all have big plans.
We're doing a race apparently.
Like I said, this is just an update video. I haven't done anything. Everybody's been making moves. I've just been saving money because I have a lot. I got a lot of parts for this car.
What place?
And a lot of things that I got. But as of right now, the motor's like done. It's knocking. I just took it over here just cause. Alright guys, so that was it for today.
I'm about to eat the fucking light.
Stop saying. So that's it for today, guys. The camera died, so I'm using my phone, so it might be 2 different qualities. I don't think it's really gonna make a difference, but that's it for today, guys.
This thing got a gas boner.
Scream Gang out.